So Go Baby Go is a student-run program with 70 different students involved across 11 different majors. This year we have 10 different cars going to 10 different children with disabilities, and it provides the opportunity for these children to be independent.
Go Baby Go has been very special to me. I've been a part of it for all 3 years of its chapter here at Scranton, and I just think it's such an exciting way to use the skills we learn in class for real life application. A lot of times you can sit in class and learn things, but to see them come to life and see how mobility and independence can change a child's life through play is so exciting. We meet all the children beforehand around February or March, and you get to talk with them, play a little bit downstairs in our peds lab, as well as talk with the parents and see what can they do right now and what do the parents and the child think they would love to do. Once we have that initial evaluation, as a team you meet and talk about the adjustments you're going to make to the car to best customize it for that child.
This is a little guy who loves Bluey, loves elephants, so we got the car in a cute color that he likes, and then the students made this unique sticker with Bluey riding an elephant, just because that's what this kiddo is into. He needs a little help sitting up, so we're going to build up the seat with this PVC and add a car seat insert so that it has a 5 strap harness, and so just more structure behind it so he doesn't lean to one side or the other. He's also going to get a switch put onto here, so a button switch where he can hit the button rather than hitting the pedal, so it makes it much easier to drive by just kind of pushing the button down and then steering.
This is a completely volunteered grant-funded program, so it's not a club through the university. We get money through the Edward R. Leahy Jr. Endowment.
Such a great day. We're all together, we're playing games with the kids. We have different volunteers who maybe haven't been involved in making of the cars, but are there to volunteer. We have clubs that come and support different activities to let the families have something to do. There's a big photo booth. Last year we had a club that provided picture frames for everyone to custom decorate, because the photos get live printed at the event, so that everyone can take home a memorabilia, even if you're not the child's getting the car. But it's so great. Parents are so thankful for our hard work, which is so nice to see. And the kids just have the biggest smile on their face, and it's such a great day.
We really believe in mobility as a human right, and kids don't just need medically assisted mobility, they need to have fun and they need to play. So this program really exemplifies the idea of working with each family and child and supplying their unique needs and custom tailoring it to what they're, who they are, but also making sure that it's giving them the ability to explore their environment, to learn from their environment, and to play with their peers and siblings in a way that's where parents can step back and let them have the fun that a child should.